Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. The general form of an arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. a plus n minus 2 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, etc. At any stage of this sequence of numbers in arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive numbers is the same value d. Look here, the difference between the second term and the first term is d. The difference between the third term and the second term is d. The difference between the fourth term and the third term is d, etc. The difference between these two terms is d, etc. At any stage of this sequence, the difference is d. That is, the difference will be the same value. Look here, this a is the first term, that is term 1. This a plus d is the second term, term 2. The a plus 2d is the third term, a plus 3d is the fourth term, etc. This a plus n minus 2 into d is the n minus 1th term, and this a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of this arithmetic progression. Now let's find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. We call the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression as Sn. The sum is the sum of the first n terms t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus etc. to plus tn minus 1 plus tn. This is the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now let's see what will be this sum. Listen, this Sn is, the first term is a, the second term is a plus t, and the third term is a plus 2d, etc. up to the n minus 1th term is a plus n minus 2 into d, and the nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Again write the same sum in the reverse direction like this. That is, write the nth term in the first place, a plus n minus 1 into d, and n minus 1th term in the second place, a plus n minus 2 into d, and write the n minus 2th term, a plus n minus 3 into d plus etc. plus second term here, a plus d, and write the first term at last. Now sum up these two series. We get the left hand side is 2n, because Sn plus Sn is 2 times Sn. This is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus etc. plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus d plus a plus n minus 1 into d plus a. This is the sum on the right hand side. The sum on the left hand side is 2n, and the sum on the right hand side is this. Since Sn is the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, the terms on the right hand side of this sum will have n terms. Therefore, it can be written as 2Sn. This is equal to a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, plus here again 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 into d, plus etc. plus this terms becomes again 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 into d, plus this term becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d again. That is, 2Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus etc. plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The term 2a plus n minus 1 into d on the right hand side exists n times. Therefore, this equation can be written as 2Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, it can be written as Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Also, this Sn can be rearranged like this. Sn equal to n by 2, split this 2a into a plus the remaining term n minus 1 into d. That is, this Sn is n by 2 a plus, this a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So this is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Since this term Tn is the last term of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. This Sn can also be written as n by 2 a plus L. This L is the last term of an arithmetic progression and this A is the first term of an arithmetic progression. So which is the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. You can apply either this sum or this sum to find out the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now let's see an example in which how to find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Consider the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. Suppose we want to find the sum of the first 15 terms of this sequence. To find the sum S15, first we have to find the 15th term of this sequence. T15 we have to find. This term is A plus 15 minus 1 into D. So look here. Here the first term A is 2 and D is 5 minus 2 equal to 8 minus 5 equal to etc. which is equal to 3. That is the common difference is 3. So therefore T15 is 2 plus 15 minus 1 into 3. That is equal to 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 3. That is equal to 2 plus 3 times 14 is 42. That is equal to 44. So therefore the 15th term of this sequence is 44. Now let's find this sum S15. We know that Sn is n by 2 a plus L. Here this a is the first term and L is the last term of the sequence. Here n is 15, so therefore 15 by 2, the first term is 2 and the last term is 44. That is equal to 15 by 2, this is 46. That is equal to 15 into 23. That is equal to 1523. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 here. The remaining is 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 5 is 10 plus the remaining value 1 which is equal to 14. Put this 4 here and the remaining is 1. So now 2 times 1 is 2 plus this remaining value 1 which is 3. So therefore the product of 15 and 23 is 345. So therefore this is 345. Therefore the sum of the first 15 terms of this arithmetic progression is 345. Yes, 15 is 345. Thanks for watching this video.